After Effects and load your footage. Now, Missy Elliott is known for her fun videos, so her going back to original style was amazing. And it does take me back to what? 17 years? Moving along. Once I've loaded my footage, I'm going to change the color of the background, and this is surprisingly easy to do. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and type in Change to Color and drag and drop this onto the video layer. Then use the picker tool from and select the color you want to change. You'll notice straight away the color changes to a default. If it's a color you want, then great, but otherwise, if it's not, select the picker tool from to and choose the color you want to change it to. I'm going with purple. You'll notice here in my footage, even though I've changed the color, I've got some patches. To fix this, go down to hue in the tolerance settings and change it slightly. This will expand the color effect. Be careful here, don't go overboard. It might cover the person and object you want to keep the same color. Now, if this doesn't work quite right, duplicate this layer and use a mask to bring back the object without the color change. You'll need to animate the mask unless you're fortunate enough for them to stand in place. Once you have this effect down, you can play around with it and start using it on a variety of different shots. Okay, I tried to make this as easy as possible, and if you have, hit the like button to let me know. Moving on to the next effect. This is the effect I love most in the video. It was subtle but amazing, and I'm probably now going to try and find the jacket to buy it, but I'm using an image here. You can use video, just make sure you track the movement of the person. First, duplicate the image and draw a mask around the bottom lip of the person. Make sure just be as tight as possible to the lip. Then add a small feather. I'm only adding 1 pixel. Once you've isolated the bottom lip, you can keyframe the positions to move them in time with the lyrics. Next, create a new solid and select black. I'm using the picker tool as I want the same black as it is on the image, and hit OK. Draw a mask around the bottom lip, and this time you don't have to be as tight as possible. Move this layer under the bottom lip. Finally, add a feather, again small, I'm only changing mine to 3. Okay, we're nearly there. This will cover the image behind and look as if Tupac is talking. From there, import your audio clip and open the sound waves, and then animate the position of the lips in sync with the lyrics. I hope you enjoyed this step back in time with the classic Missy Elliott video. 17 years. Wow. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. If it was easy as it was for you, for me, let me get that right. If it was easy as it seemed for me as it was for you, let me know. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for everything, guys, and as always, stay inspired.